Hello, it's Helen here. Are you a fan of mango dessert? I made a perfect summer dessert with mango. I cannot imagine prepping and baking in such hot summer. So this recipe will be completely oven-free. It's cold, stringy, and so easy to make. Let's try out together. Here are all ingredients you need. Remember to buy the Glutinous Rice Flour with green package. You can easily find it in any Asian store. It's so cheap, the entire bag only costs you around $1. Add in the cornstarch, milk, and sugar. Whisk them gently to get a consistent batter. Cover with the plastic wrap. Remember to use the toothpick to poke a couple holes. These help to prevent the droplet formation and to spread out the temperature evenly. Microwave it for 1.5 minutes. Use the spatula to flip over. It takes some time. You might need to be patient with this process. Heat for another 1 minute. Also, apply the plastic wrap and poke some hole with the toothpick. Tear off the plastic wrap. Put the batter on the rice flour dough. Use the rolling pin to mix the batter in. You might need to wait it cool down to the room temperature. Wear a glove to mix the butter in to the rice dough. You just want to squeeze it to making sure all the butter are in. This is the most important step for getting a stringy rice ball. So you want to do as many times as you want until you see all the butter absorb into the rice dough. And put in one of the gloves and refrigerate it for at least 20 minutes. I just don't want to waste any of them. Cut the mango. Make the horizontal and vertical slice on each piece without cutting through the skin. Open the mango up like a flower. Cut the flesh from the skin. Please don't scoop the flesh since it will extract the extra juice. You want to keep the diced mango as dry as possible. Take out the rice dough from the fridge. It's so stringy and it looks so yummy to eat. Separate them to 14 small bowls. Here are all of them. Prepare a shredded coconut in a plate. Push, push, push. Add in 2 pieces and wrap with one of your hand and use your another thumb to push the mango in. Here it is. Here is another way to fold it. Fold them into half and squeeze all the extra in. Here is your rice ball. Put them into the shredded coconut. Mango are such a fantastic summer fruit, perfect for your barbecue party, and make them for your regular summer day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more food recipes.